This is lesson 2.1, so a new unit, and it coincides with chapter 2 of your digital textbook, which I hope you get soon. The topic today is learning about rules to record increases and decreases to accounts. And the reason we're going to do this is that, as you can probably already imagine, a transaction analysis sheet is pretty inefficient. So if you had thousands and thousands of transactions, filling out that sheet would be really onerous. So I'm going to lead you to debit and credit theory, and I will introduce some of it today. So write these two rules down, and if you understand these two rules, the next little bit is going to be really easy for you. If you don't get it right away, just refer back to these two rules as we go through a few questions. So I think I'll start over here. I've drawn a T and I've written account name at the top. This could be any account name from your balance sheet. This could be cash. This could be a building. It could be accounts payable. So I'm just gonna write cash, but we would have a T for every single account on our balance sheet. An account is just a place to record increases and decreases. And in this particular case, the account is shaped like a T, so we call it a T account. Here's the rule. The left side of the T is called a debit. So debit means left side. The right side of the T is a credit. So the right side is a credit. So if I say credit, I mean right side. Let's go to these two rules. An increase to an account is going to be recorded on the same side that that account appears in our equation. So assets are on the left side of the equation. So that means assets increase on the left side, or we say the debit side. So assets increase with a debit, and a debit means left. Liabilities are on the right side, so they increase with a credit because they're on the right. So we're only talking about the increases so far. Equity is also on the right side. Equity will increase with a credit because equity is on the right side of this equal sign. That's how you do increases. For the decreases, it's the opposite. So you will record a decrease to an account on the opposite side that it appears in the equation. The opposite side for assets, which are on the left, is the right. So the opposite side for assets is a credit. Assets go down or decrease with a credit. Liabilities are on the right side. So a decrease to a liability is recorded on the left side because it's opposite. And the same holds true for equity. Equity is on the right, so if equity is going down, we record equity with a debit because the debit side is the opposite side. I'm going to stop the video here and I'll show you an example.